What do you think about your new car?
It's not mine.
Oh, okay. What do you think about our new car?
It's not ours.
Whose is it?
Yours.
What do you mean it's mine?
You paid for it. You paid for the travel. You paid for the trip, the food.
So what, are you not going to work on it? Or?
Well, we're not working on it, but I don't know if I'm going to get paid.
Welcome back, guys, to another video. Currently sitting on a boat. And no, it's not the Skyline. As you can see, it's a ferry. We're heading over to Waiheke to go pick up a car. So me and this guy here, who's just chilling, can go and flip it. Check this view out though. So yeah, as you can tell by the title, we're going to go pick up a Subaru. It's a, what is it? It's an Outback, eh? Outback.
Twin turbo manual.
Twin turbo manual? Nah, it's a Stocko 2.5 litre. Sounds like it's got a head gasket problem or something's leaking, so we're going to check that out. Hopefully we can drive it from Waiheke, where it is in Waiheke, onto the ferry, get the ferry back and get it back to the workshop and get it fixed. It's on weekend this weekend as well, so we have to get the parts tomorrow. So we'll get it all sorted, get it back on the road, tidy it up, and hopefully make some money on it. Maybe do some helis, some drifts. Yeah. Anyway, let's get to it. Yeah, hard, dude, mean bombs. Yeah, we've made it to Waiheke. It's gorgeous over here. It's a beautiful day. So we're now going to get off this boat and go and see if we can get to the house. I don't even think there's an Uber over here, so we're thinking about maybe getting a scooter or see if we can just hitchhike there, or what else? A taxi or something?
It's about half an island away over some like ginormous Turarangi mountains, so
yeah, we may have to go barefoot over these mountains.
fight some snakes off.
Yeah, hard. Alright, let's go do this. Man, it's gorgeous, check this out. Look at that. So I've only ever been here on like jet ski, I've never come over on a ferry. And I think we're here, so let's go. So, yeah, there's like nothing at the ferry terminal. There's no scooter hire, no taxis, no buses, nothing. So we're currently...
We've got a 10-20k walk up the mountains of fucking Turarangi.
So we're currently walking and trying to hitchhike. There is a taxi, but like, I don't know when that can come, so we're just walking for now. It's quite a nice place to walk though. Alright, so like 2 days ago I legit said we don't catch buses. However, I lied. We had to run for the bus. Got a bus, got some slushies, and we're like half a k away from the car. Another few more hills, we're there.
Belts, battery, all fluids levels checked and topped up as required. Cooling system checked for leaks. Something tires checked. Doors lubed. Steering joints, brake lines, hoses, fuel lines, shock. Underside of the vehicle inspected, including exhaust rubber boots, which is probably what?
Rattling. No.
Diff and gearbox oil checked. Discs and brakes checked. Engine oil change. Oil filter change. If this, what are you gonna tell me about? Did it or you did it or not?
How much was that? 450.
500 bucks, bro.
Fuck, I'm too cheap. So we got the car. We're in it. We're actually down on the beach at the moment, and yeah, like it was going really good, and then it sort of overheated pretty quick. Like after what, 2Ks? Like, you're not overheated, but it started getting warm. I don't think it's a head gasket because this thing ain't boiling over at the moment. So it could be a water pump, or it could be a thermostat or something silly like that. So we'll check it out when we get back. Letting the car cool down. Might just go have a look on the beach because it's beautiful. So we're gonna go see if we can find a park. Otherwise, this thing moves. It's got a little bit of, it's an old car. You can tidy up the interior. We've got like a little bit of nastiness here. We might be able to find a new door card or something. The exterior is a bit rough. We may tidy up the bumpers or just get new ones if we can from pick apart or something like that. So it'll be like a whole thing. So we're going to shoot down there and go check that out. And what's that?
The Rego from 2002.
Rego from 2002. This thing's like legit. It's got everything in it. It's like Aiden is the third owner.
I'm the third owner.
of this car.
And it's made in 1997.
Yeah.
Currently 3 owners.
Drives really nice. The gearbox shifts really nice. It's peppy as 2.5, so it actually goes quite well. It's got quarter tank gas, so it's actually not a bad mission. Even though we had to ferry here, walk up. How far did we walk? We probably walked a couple of k's. Walked a couple of k's.
This is the book that person got when they bought the car.
Yeah, it's the original book.
It's got the dude that sold it
to them, yeah.
and all this shit.
That's cool, man.
Yeah, and it comes with all this shit.
So other than having to walk up the road like quite far, and then we found a bus like we're going past, so we chased after the bus. We got on the bus, and then we got off at the wrong stop, and then we got some slushies, and then we had to backtrack. Anyway, we got to her house. Lovely lady hooked us up with a drink, got some water for us for this, and yeah. So let's go check out this beach because it's man, it looks good. I'm tempted to go for a swim. Let's do it. Yo, is this not gorgeous or what? So Aiden's just vibing out in the car. He didn't want to come out and experience this. I mean, check this out. Just look at that. That is just gorgeous. Oh yeah, that feels good. Alright, a bit of a situation update. We are stuck on the side of the road, and all this shit on the windscreen here is coolant. Yeah, kind of lost the radiator cap there for a second, but we're good. We got 25 minutes to get to the ferry, and about how far? A kilometre? I don't know. About a kilometre. Right, we've made it to the ramp. I can see the boat. There's the ferry down there, which means we're gonna get on the ferry with this. I can hear a drone. It is overheating a bit. I don't think there's any water flow, or the thermostat's blocked or something. So let's just get her on the boat, get her back to Auckland. We'll be sweet. What a mission. We had to stop a few times. Lost a bit of coolant, but man, hilarious. Absolutely crack up. Well worth the trip. It's just been funny as. Anyway, let's go get in the queue. Well, so we made it maybe like a kilometre away from the shop, but I decided to pull the thermostat out. Because I think the thermostat's blocked. I've just pulled it out and putting in the last bolt now, and we'll be good to go. Fill this back up with water, and we're gonna get home. So as you can see, you know, I don't know if you actually saw, but had these missing, you know, went to pick apart. Racks a little couple things here. How we paid. You know, boom, boom, boom. Just gotta get one here. Just done that. Got some shells and shit. Got to clean out. Just painting all the window wipers at the moment. Get it all mint. Got a new front bumper and some wheels with new tyres that we'll show you in a minute. And yeah, she's ready to wrap some e-brakes and go for a skid. Sure. Nah, ready for sale. So we got new bumper, got some wheels with tyres which are ready mint tyres. So and they're same as these. So we'll just do a straight swap. They were cheap enough. We're gonna clean all the engine bay. Aiden's painting up the rusty stuff.
Here and here.
Tidy it all up. Give that a mean clean. And we'll give it a service. And yeah, new bumper goes on. I'm gonna try and fix the rear bumper. We're gonna go nab the other one from pick apart. And yeah, just give her a bit of a tidy up. And oh, we've got a new aerial too. Got a new aerial because this one's mounted. So new aerial. Oh yeah, we're still looking for door cuts. So we may just pull that door cut off and just cut maybe around here or something, and then just put new material on. But we'll see, because that's a bit worn. She obviously likes to cruise with her arm out the window.
Who doesn't?
Yeah, exactly. It's Waiheke lifestyle, right? Waihekeans, bro.
You need to put the car up so I can get these wheels off.
Yep. Let's get her up. Get this. Alright, it's actually a couple of days later, and we've done a whole bunch of stuff to this car to try and make it legit again, and we'll go and get a warrant on it. So basically, not only is it getting like a mean clean, it's a bit tatty, like the paint's a bit rough, but we have, what have we done? Service, new CV boots, inner and outer, fixed the bumpers, painted the bumpers, and just tidied a lot of stuff up, like a lot of stuff. So now, I mean it's an old car, but now it actually looks kind of clean, drives really nice. Oh, new thermostat, new coolant, now it doesn't overheat, so that's cool. Oh, and clean the radiator out and all the cooling system and that. So what we can do is, you finished? The previous owner had like mad dogs in the back of this thing, so yeah. Oh, that's all good, dude, don't worry about it. Oh no, damn ham, bro.
Is it new lighting?
Yeah, that's all good. See you later. Right, let's go take some photos. Good deal. Yeah, ain't a cool car until you got sex wax. That sun is killer. It is hot right now. We had some really, really cold days for summer, but right now it's hot. What are we at? We're probably like 28 degrees, 30, somewhere around there. Anyway, done, ready to be sold. I think Aiden's listed it, wherever he's gone. I think he's gonna go get the other car. But all ready to go, runs and drives nicely, drives in a straight line, doesn't overheat, is actually pretty damn comfortable and pulls quite well. So, pretty mean little trip. Shoot over to Waiheke, go grab a car, tidy it up, and sell it. It's, yeah, I guess something to do. A bit of stress relief. It was quite nice, bit of a journey. So, yeah. Anyway, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. We've got BMW down there getting done. Citroen's getting sorted out because we've got the show coming up. So, old man's sorting out some luxuries on the vehicle.
Yeah, well, I need to get it through a warrant, so...
Oh, true. So...
it's all got to be done for the warrant.
So the window electric motors weren't that great. So one's been rebuilt with a whole new one, and the other one's been rebuilt with a factory one. So all the electric windows work now. So that'll be ready to go off for a warrant. That, we've got to panel the other side of that, start getting the motor ready to go in, and we're good. Anyway, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.